Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I'll be giving you guys an in-depth look at the exhaust system on my '89 Chevrolet S10 Restomod project. I just finished this thing up not too long ago and I've already got an in-depth review on the channel, so if you'd like to learn all about the build, the link can be found in the description box below. This thing's powered by a 6-liter LS-based V8, otherwise known as an LQ4. I say LS-based because it's got the LS architecture, but it's an iron block truck motor similar to a 5.3 or some versions of the 6.2. A true LS motor has an aluminum block with the aluminum heads. But this thing's been upgraded with a cam. It sounds awesome, and I want to say, just based on my experience, it's probably making in the low to mid 400 horsepower range. Of course, it sounds really good too, and that's the whole point of this video. The exhaust system itself is from Hooker Blackhart. It's part of the Holley LS swap system for a first generation S10. So you've got the headers and the full exhaust. Technically, they don't make an exhaust for an extended cab S10, but all it's involved is you just put some extra pieces of pipe in the middle to make up for the extra length. But it's a true dual exhaust, dual in, dual out muffler. They have different style of exits, whether you want turn downs underneath the truck or like a factory style single side exhaust, or the straight out duals like I have. And I put some polished tips on myself just because I like the shiny bits. But this truck is so much fun. I'm so proud of it. It took forever to get this thing done with everything else that's been going on with the channel, but I'm absolutely thrilled to be able to bring the review to you guys and this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for the support. It really means a lot. We're gonna kick things off with a cold start, and then I'm gonna get revs all around the truck. Inside, outside, back, front, different perspectives, so you guys can really get a good idea of what this thing sounds like in person. And of course, I'll take this thing on a thorough drive. So without further ado, let's go ahead and kick things off with that cold start. Now let's go ahead and start it back up at operating temperature. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to leave a like down below because it really helps the videos a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, consider doing that too, and make sure you turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on the upcoming content. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.